In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful CMD commands every Windows user should know, why they matter, how to use them, and what they actually fix. Make sure you stay till the end, because command number 4 can repair Windows itself. Command 1. If your internet isn't working, the problem is usually not Chrome or Edge, it's your network connection. Without checking this, your guessing wastes time. Open command prompt, type the following, press enter. You'll see your IP address, your default gateway, your network adapter status. This tells you instantly if your PC is connected, if it can reach your router, if the issue is your PC or your internet. No more blind troubleshooting. This command is safe, it only shows information. Command 2. Ever had a website refuse to load on your PC but work on your phone? That's usually a DNS cache problem. Windows saves website addresses but those records can go bad. Type the following prompt, press enter. It clears old, broken DNS records and forces Windows to fetch fresh ones. This can instantly fix websites not opening, slow browsing, connection errors after changing networks. It's one of the fastest internet fixes in Windows. The first reload might be slightly slower, totally normal. Command 3. Internet speed isn't everything, stability matters more. You can have fast internet and still experience lag, drops, or delays. Open CMD, type the prompt and hit enter. This checks response time, packet loss, connection reliability. You can finally tell if lag is from your Wi-Fi, your ISP, or your PC. Perfect for gaming, calls, and streaming issues. 1 or 2 spikes are normal, watch for patterns. Command 4. Windows system files can break from power cuts, bad updates, malware, force shutdowns. When that happens, Windows becomes slow, buggy, or unstable. Open command prompt as administrator, type the command and hit enter. Windows scans itself and repairs corrupted system files automatically. This can fix random crashes, app errors, blue screens, weird Windows behavior. This is one of the most powerful built-in repair tools most people never use. Do not close CMD while it's running. Command 5. If your internet feels slow even when nothing is open, something is probably using it in the background. Netstat shows you the truth. Open CMD, type the prompt and hit enter. What you see, active connections, open ports. Which processes are using your network? This helps you spot suspicious activity, find apps eating bandwidth, understand what your PC is doing online. This is a power user visibility command. Don't block processes unless you know what they are. These commands give you clarity instead of guessing. No downloads, no third-party tools, just Windows doing what it was designed to do. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more quick Windows fixes that actually work. And let me know in the comments which command surprised you the most.